This is the unboxing of the iPad mini 6. This is a versatile and powerful tablet that is well suited for a range of tasks from productivity to creativity. Its compact size and improved feature make it a great option for those who prefer a smaller tablet. There is two versions of the iPad mini 6. One without cellular connectivity and one with cellular connectivity. The iPad mini 6 with cellular connectivity is great for anybody that go outside a lot. This is a powerful tablet that lets you connect at fast 5G connectivity and do everything that you can do with your standard Wi-Fi at home. The iPad mini 6 is the smallest iPad in the iPad lineup and making it easy to carry and use with one hand. The one-hand operation on this iPad is incredible. You can use this device with one hand without taking any awkward or uncomfortable position. This is especially true compared to the regular iPad, which cannot be used with one hand. Inside the box of this iPad mini 6, you have the user manual, you have a charging cable, and you also have a charging brick. This device features an 8.3-inch liquid retina display with True Tone technology, providing an excellent color accuracy and brightness. This iPad also has 4 speakers. It has 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top of the device. At the top of the device, you have the power button also, which has a fingerprint sensor embedded on it. The iPad mini 6 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which provides fast and efficient performance for a range of tasks. It also has a 12-megapixel rear camera and a 12-megapixel front camera with center stage technology, which automatically adjusts the camera to keep you in the frame during your video calls. This iPad mini 6 also supports Apple Pencil, the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. This is an upgraded Apple Pencil and you can mostly do everything that they do on the bigger iPad.